Blue shirt. I'll probably cut all this out, but it's so pretty.
Yep. Yes, we're heading to go get Papa Blue shirt because Papa Blue shirt is battery branded on his bike.
Hello everybody, Papa Blue shirt here. My battery went dead again. Out here trying to ride this heavy e-bike with no battery. Anyways, I ran out of battery, so she's gonna come and rescue me. Oh man. And here she comes, coming to rescue me.
And here he is, folks. Here he is.
He wasn't going to attempt this great big hill
Without a
without
battery.
And I don't blame him, y'all. These bikes weigh so much. It's not like your stationary bikes. I mean, your regular bikes.
Regular bikes. Don't run him over!
Rescue you again.
Rescue me again. Let me get my other battery.
All right. She said, "Wait, I see what we're doing. I see what we're doing. We're helping Grandpa." What'd you do with the battery?
Put it down by my feet so it's sliding all around.
Good. Okay, just trying to get caught up to him.
Wow. You sure is fast.
Yes, he is. Just trying to get caught up to him.
He'll be home by the time we get there.
Oh, he'll be up around this bend.
And look at this dog trying to chase us.
Well, oh, he was chased by this dog. And that
That's a
dog-
blue heeler too. Man, he's driving too fast. Or riding.
He rides fast, y'all. That's why I cannot keep up with him when I'm out bike riding. I'm going 40 in my car. 30 miles an hour. Just caught up to him. The wind is horrible out here.
It's our leg. What's up, Papa
Hey,
Blue shirt?
look at the goats chasing him. Now you don't have just dogs chasing you. You got the goats too. Yes, he moves pretty fast, y'all.
That was dog ears. I thought you were about ready to run over a dog. It was a leaf.
Oh, when I was backing up, a leaf went into the mirror, backup mirror, and I thought I hit something, but it wasn't there just a second ago. So it come and covered the mirror back there, the camera, and it was a leaf. I stopped real quick and I went, oh, it's a leaf.
Leaf me alone.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty.
Isn't this gorgeous? When we go out for our bike ride, we hit some really gorgeous trees too. Check it out. Watch the bees.
So tell me, what's it like losing your battery?
It was rough. It was easier to ride with the tires pumped up though. But
Not that tall hill.
ran out on that hill. That was the problem. If I'd have made it past that hill, I probably would have kept going.
Yeah.
But I didn't.
So Mama to the rescue.
So Mama to the rescue.
I was backing up like this when I was coming to get you, and a leaf fell and covered my mirror,
Her camera.
my camera back there. And I stopped real quick because, you know, I'm watching the whole time.
Yeah.
And nothing was there. And then all of a sudden there was something there, and I was stopped real quick, and I realized it was just a leaf.
Leave me alone.
That's what she said. Oh, great minds, I tell you.
Well, my beard's going crazy, but this is Papa Blue Shirt. I thank you for riding with me today. And May the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.